May 13 na. And maraming salamat.
Yes, maraming salamat din po. At sana po ma-enjoy nyo yung movie and kiligin kayo lahat na ma-feel nyo yan. May 13 na po showing na para sa Soul Test Romantic.
Thank you po at sana ma-enjoy niyo yung movie.
Thank you po, and sobrang thank you po kasi dinedicate niyo po ito for the JD fans. Sobrang thank you po. Maraming salamat.
We hope you actually watch the film because I know you like it. Really excited. We waited so long for this, and thank you for the support.
I hope to see you on the 12th because that's the premiere night. Doon natin makikita kung nag-work. So, please tabi ka sa akin. So, ganunin mo na lang ako. Nag-work. Diba? Maraming salamat for always supporting JD and our film and Viva Films and Star Cinema. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. May 13 po.
Thank you.